Hey people, I am walking home from the beach. Great time. I'm listening to music. So, I'm kind of trailing off. It's such a nice day. God, shouldn't have worn flip-flops. I made poor decisions today. In shoes. Oops. Oh well. Hey guys, so guess what? Accidentally deleted my opening vlog clip. Sorry. Just trying to clean up the memory card on my bed. So then you had me awkwardly walking back from the beach. So you're welcome for that. I feel like the beach just like makes me feel so much more, I don't know, I feel good after being at the beach, you know? Getting some vitamin D feels nice. And after I go there, I feel like I just don't need to wear any makeup. It's not necessary. So, no makeup, just me and my freshly straightened hair that for some reason it just was not cooperating the way I wanted it to today. So there's that, but it's okay because I'm getting it did tomorrow. Yeah, yeah. I'm kind of annoyed right now because there are way too many people driving. Like, they need to stop. They need to just like chill the F down and go home. Like, everybody needs to go home. And it'd be really nice if they would go the speed limit. I'm sorry, you guys listen to me bitch about drivers all the time. But I'm absolutely starving, so I'm trying to get to Jimmy John's before work. Okay, Jimmy John's for now, Jimmy John's for later, because I didn't really have time to make a dinner, whatever, for tonight. So, yeah, that's cool, right? Guys, I had to take my nose ring out because it started to hurt so bad. Like, it's not really red or anything, but it started to hurt so bad, which it's happened before. Like, when I wear these rings, these guys, these little dealios. So, I don't know, maybe it's just that type just doesn't agree with me. I don't know, but I've been wearing it for almost a week. Maybe that's why. I don't know why I always yawn when I'm vlogging. Like, seriously, where does that come from? But, yeah. When I get home right away, I need to put in one of my normal ones and hopefully it'll feel better. I hate that it does that because I really like wearing the ring. I feel like so much more of a badass. I feel like there's shit all over my face. But I keep like thinking like, oh my god, my hair. Getting my hair done tomorrow. This is so insane. I'm watching Penguins of Madagascar. You know, cool things in life. Oh my god, you're showing the most boring part of the movie. Show the penguins. Whatever. Whatever. But, yeah. I'm gonna be blonde tomorrow. I'm kind of super nervous. I'm kind of scared how this is gonna go. I'm scared I'm gonna look so bad as a blonde, even though I'm like basically there. I don't know. I'm scared. Oh, my earbud just fell out of my ear. Ugh. Yep, so I'm just waiting for this to end so I can go home and sleep a little bit. So I'm gonna close the vlog now. I'll definitely catch up with you guys tomorrow. Ooh, burp. I will try and I'll see what I can do with vlogging while I get my hair cut or colored or whatever. So yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow, okay? Bye.